It's in the vlog for North Dakota.
Well, except for you're in South Dakota.
Oh yeah.
There's eggs too, if you like scrambled eggs. There's pans. You just make yourselves at home. Make whatever you like for your breakfast.
Alright, Terry and I are just coming to Bozeman Airport here. We're going to adjust the rudder trim tab. Freaking kidding me, it's still leaking. So I just mixed up some more B half. Actually, A half this time. It's a lot more liquidy than the other stuff. Well, we got the that sealant poured real nicely in there. It's flooded the area where the leak was. If that doesn't fix it, I don't know what will. Ready to go?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for barbecued chicken.
Thank you for your help.
I didn't do much today.
You did a little bit. Couldn't have done it without you. Hey, I thought you were downstairs. I was gonna give you your shirt.
Can I have it now?
Yeah, you can.
Thanks for stretching it out.
I'm not stretching it out. I made sure it didn't stretch. This is Samantha's new shirt. Ready to go?
Two of us today?
Yep.
Guys, any questions about the museum or anything I can help with?
No.
Guys, enjoy your time. Let us know if you have any questions, okay? Just keep those on you for security purposes there, okay?
Yes, dear.
Do not use on suede or leather.
Oh, this guy's got Michael Jackson's disease. And there's that. Here's a bison. Okay, I just found an airplane in here, so now it makes it worthwhile. Just kidding. Air camper.
Can you break 100 or you? Yeah. Make sure. Sorry.
See Sam like sitting here, he's the horse. I feel like I'm hunting her.
There we go.
It looks like a little monster face.
Does it?
Yeah, it does. We're being picked up because we got kind of lost in the museum. We're downtown Bozeman. Look what you're doing.
It's so cool in here. This is a 1962. And there's a nice new Bose headset. Ignore that. Whoa! Hey!
Let me do it again. Hey, do that again.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, hang on. Do that again.
Oh, they're ready to go on that light. Morning. Good morning.
Yeah, I'm wearing Kyle's old sunglasses because I left mine at Lorraine, and Terry's, of course, was having issues. So we match, and we're going to Circle, Montana. Aggression. Let's see what this is.
Interesting.
Looks like someone's living here.
Hey. How's it going? Come on up.
Hi, I'm Jeff Skybird.
You rebuild Super Cubs?
Yep. Try to.
if I could get away from all the guys.
Finding old airplanes all over the place. Well, this is slightly better than wherever I was before.
Cody or
No,
no?
not Cody. It was
Jordan.
Jordan.
Another-
Jordan had nothing.
Another guy name for an
I
airport.
paid next to the hangar.
What is
This
that?
one's-
Yeah, Curtis our time. Blue something or
This thing?
I think so.
I don't think this is blue. Is that blue?
It's the only bluish thing.
It says something, keys are in it. We might be stealing someone's car. Let's take a second.
Definitely the courtesy car when it's got this thing on it.
What is that thing?
That's a fish. It's a floater.
Low tire pressure.
Oh, whatever. Oh, get it.
Oh, this thing is dirty.
No. Oh, barely. Man, like a foot.
What?
It's closed today.
What day is this today?
Monday. There's 2 places to eat in town. Both of them are closed on Monday.
Motel? Family restaurant?
I don't know what the difference between a hotel or motel is, but I don't want to stay there. There's nothing here. You are?
I just wanted
We're tourists in Circle, Montana. Like you. Do you guys get any of those? Wait a minute, I think we walked past the front door.
Oh, excuse me.
You're welcome. See ya. Oh, it's cold in here.
Right now we're at a little cafe and I'm doing some work, and that's his work.
I just got home with Stan, April Jones's brother, in North Dakota, as he says. And we're gonna go visit him later, a couple hundred miles east, southeast of here.
We're leaving the cafe now because it has cooled down enough for us to leave and head over to, where are we going, Kyle?
We're heading to Timber Lake. Well, I'm on the ramp and I wanted to put on my shorts, so I was like real quick looking around. I took the shorts out of the bag. I knew exactly where they were, and then I went to put them on, but they're her shorts. So
You
I'm
wanna
just standing
You wanna
here.
know what? That's payback for you messing with my clothes last night.
Right. Well, now I'm just standing here with my pants down, literally. I like hear something, and I'm like, hello.
Hello.
It's me.
Okay, we're trying to get to go into a place, and they're gonna have what ready when we get there?
Some like April
Whoa.
mentioned like cowboys and Indians. I don't know what that means, but
There's an insect trying to get
she
me.
said so.
I learned that if you blow on insects, they don't like it.
So this particular time, are you just one overnight here? Or we're overnighting here.
We found Stan, April's brother. April's our friend from home.
Are we in the race to get there?
We're in the race to get dinner now. They're gonna put some on the grill or something.
Yeah, you're in rural America here.
Alright.
Without his wife. He is his wife.
Got the Rocky Mountain oyster there?
These are not. Actually, this is how I thought they would be.
That's what you thought a Rocky Mountain oyster would look like?
A little rounder.
Yeah, I know.
So we're here.
Here we are, coming through. Right through this glass. Right through the glass.
Now Sparky's is in the chapter.
Oh,
It's
okay.
in the vlog for North Dakota.
Well, except you're in South Dakota.
Oh yeah. All
Go back and check your logs.
You did it happen again?
You don't
know
Again?
logs up
Do you in South Dakota?
Plastic drink.
I don't even care.
We exploded into this room. Very cute guest room. We're gonna go into town and do some things with the newspaper and go to a museum. Gravel roads, dirt road country. I'm driving a truck. Ford. Is that it? USDA.
The destination is on your left. U.S. Post Office.
Yeah.
Arrive.
Nice.
So what states have you already been to?
I've been to Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, and here.
Oh,
Well,
we're meeting. Oh wait, no. Yeah, it is.
it's not.
Yeah, it actually was.
Well, we're meeting them.
Oh, Grab and Pub's a little further than we thought.
Is it?
Yeah, second.
Here you go. Hold this.
We're going to the Grub and Pub, which is the only place in town to eat.
Yeah.
And that is freaking awesome.
We just had lunch with Stan and what's her name? Jackie. What you doing?
I am installing Lightroom so that the RAW format that Canon's new EOS M50 has is supported, because at the moment I cannot view any of my images and it's going to take me about 40 minutes. So that's a speed bump in the middle of my production day.
So what do you do now? You fly around the what?
Flying what? We're flying all 50 states.
We're going to go drone a takeoff.